Today, we are here inside an exclusive subdivision near Davao International Airport. Welcome to Ponte Verde Subdivision. My name is John from DVO Realty, and I'll be having a house tour on this brand new house near Davao International Airport. Tara, let's check. This house has a 204 square meters lot area and around 240 square meters floor area. The design of this house is modern contemporary. It has a 4-bedroom, 4 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. Tara, let's come inside. As you enter, you have your man gate here, and you have your small lanai on my right side, and you have your 2-car park here on my left side. So you have a spacious garage that can accommodate 2 SUVs. As for the interior of this house, you have your solid door here as your main door for this property. Ug naapod kay double height ceiling sa imuhang living area. And you also have your sliding door which will lead you to the lanai. Tara, let's check the dining area and kitchen area of this house. As for your dining area, you have a very spacious dining area. It can accommodate 8-seater dining capacity dining table, and you have your fully functional kitchen area here. So naapod kay island counter which you can use while preparing or cooking. You also have your stove here, burner cooktop, as well as the exhaust vent. So all the cabinets here in the kitchen area, as for the base and overhead cabinets, are already included upon turnover. So kung makita ninyo, daghan kaayog mga cabinets which you can use for your storage, or pwede mo tanganan sa inyong microwave oven or any stuff na pwede nyo mabutang dali. So this cabinet can be your pantry also. So this can be a pantry cabinet. On the ground floor, you have your first room. It can be a guest room. At the same time, it can be an elderly room. No? So pwede gamiton sa mga bisita ninyo when they visit this property. So the built-in cabinets are already included upon turnover. The good thing about this room is it has its own toilet and bath diri sa ground floor. Tara, let's check the second floor. As we go upstairs, you have your solid wood steps here. We also have the stainless handrails and glass for the staircase. So upon reaching the second floor, you have your quite spacious family area where you can put a mini sofa or table or any designs na pwede nyo ibutang diriya as an accent on your family area on the second floor. Also, standing here on this area is you have a good view of your living area, and you can actually see how spacious the area is because of the double height ceiling on this area. Let's check the rooms on this property. On the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms in total. So the first room on the second floor, it can accommodate a double-sized bed. Built-in cabinets are already included upon turnover. So naana po siya abang sa aircon if you want to install the AC. This is also a common toilet and bath here on the second floor. So this is a fully functional toilet and bath already, and it is shared by 2 rooms here on the second floor. Going to the second room on the second floor, quite spacious compared to the first room that I showed you earlier. So it has its own wardrobe cabinet already upon turnover. Going into our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. This can accommodate double, queen, or king size bed depending on your need, and it comes with its own balcony. So kani nga room naapod siya walk-in closet in this area. So you have your wardrobe cabinets here, as well as you have your own master's toilet and bath. One of the features also here on the second floor is that it has its own access to the balcony. So this is your balcony. This is quite a space. You can put your table and chairs. Pwede mo tambay diri every morning and afternoon. And right now, grabe kahangin ang property. If you are interested to schedule a viewing or know more details about this property, contact me, John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!